Hello students, my name is Irbal Kumar, your maths teacher. We'll do the question number 7 now. The distributions below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Weight in kg, this is the class interval and this is the number of students. Okay, this is the weight and this is the number of students. We are going to find out the mean. Okay, this is the question number 7. Already I have written here question number 7. Okay, first of all, what we have to do, we have to find out the cumulative frequency in median, right? So this is our frequency. We have to write here 2 directly over here. Again we have to add this value with this. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8, I will get here 13. 13. Again 13 plus 6, if we add 13 plus 6 will get 19. 19 plus 6 will get over here 25. 25 plus 3 will get 28. Okay, and 28 plus 2 will get here 30. Okay, this is our n. Also we can say this is also our 30. Now for median we have to write since n by 2 is equal to, this is a 30 by 2, it will be a 15. So median, so how we can, what we have to see, 15 we have to see in the cumulative frequency to find out the median class. Okay, to find out the median class we have to see the cumulative frequency where 15 will lies, but 15 should not be less. Okay, less than 15 we cannot take that number. So 2 is much less than 15, 5 is also much less than 15, 13 also is less than 15, so it will lies over here. Okay, 9, 15 will lies over here, somewhere here. So this one as box, so this one will be called as the frequency and upper one will be called as the preceding cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. Okay, and 15, so which it will lies over here in the median class, which lies between the median class, between the median class 55 to 60. Okay, 55 to 60. Lower limit that is L, lower limit will be 55. Okay, lower limit is 55. Class size that is H, what is the difference between this one is 5. Okay, then frequency of the frequency of the median class, that is F. 6. Cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, median class that is CF. Is 13, right here 13. Now we'll apply the formula. By applying formula, therefore median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into H divided by F. So what is our L? L, we'll see from here. What is our L? L is our 55. What is n by 2? N by 2 is our 15. CF, cumulative frequency, is our 13, and the difference, the class size is our 5, and frequency is our 6, right? So I took the value from here. Okay, now here 55 plus 15 minus 13 will be 2 divided by 6, 5, 2 ones are 2 3s are 55 plus 1 5s are 5, 3 55 plus, if I divide with 5 with 3, we'll get 3 ones 3, 2, decimal 0, 3 6 18, 2, 3 6 18. Again it will keep on, it is a recurring number. Okay, it will come 666. Okay, 1.666. so what we can do, we can do approx 1.67, so it will be 56.67 kg. This is our answer for question number 7, median. So we have finished our exercise 14.3. okay, you can watch all the videos from playlist. Okay, thank you.